So we get asked regularly what types of projects are on the go at the moment. So today I'm just going to give you a very small snippet of the current projects that are on the go. So this is a heritage build that we're doing, but as with all things iconic, we strip it back to the bare bones. We work on the chassis, work it all the way back up again. So it gets the standard installation which every iconic vehicle gets, which is upgraded suspensions, sound and heat insulation throughout. Every component of the engine is fully reinstated and upgraded to what makes it an iconic Land Rover. But in this particular heritage one, albeit from the outside it looks like a wonderful classic old farmer's truck. However, we've dropped a 2UZ engine into this, which is of course not a Land Rover engine. However, it's popular. A lot of customers are requesting it, and while we can do that easily, of course the technical component is how do you couple that with the drivetrain. So that's where all the engineering capability comes in from Iconic. But in this particular one, we've got a 2UZ Toyota engine in it. I know the Land Rover owners are going to go, what's going on? But it's what the customers are looking for, and particularly in Pakistan, the availability of parts, knowledge, expertise, etc. for Toyota engines is significantly more. But anyway, we'll do a detailed one on this at some point. So this is a Heritage Classic, which has been upgraded with a 2UZ. Here we have a Puma 2.4, one of my favorite engines. This one's a 130, that one was a 90. This is a 130 pickup truck, as you can see, with the roll cage outside. An amazing color, which we're yet to name, but it's custom colored. Again, on the specifications of the on the client, and we'll do the usual stuff, which is a stage 1 remap on it. We'll upgrade all the interiors. Everything is built from the ground up, from the chassis. Every nut bolt component is fully re-engineered. This one here is my personal favorite. So this is within the family. This is one of our own iconic builds. We're keeping this for personal use, but it's designed as a beach runner. So we're going to be using this in the summer, so you can look at the lovely color. Interiors yet to come. I'll show you some seats over there later on when you get a chance. But it will be a soft top convertible all the way back. It's a 110, and we're going to use this for messing around. All the wonderful things that we plan to do with it in the summers. So more on this one later on. Over here, we have a 300 TDI in this gunmetal grey metallic, which is again being built from the ground up. It's a 90. It's a lovely little piece of kit. They'll have lots of small tweaks, which I'll walk you through at some point later on. This one here is another Heritage. As you can see, it's got the flat sides, drop down windscreen, and this thing is going to be a bikini top. Again, it's a client that's interested in having something that you can use around when it's not too hot, because it's far too hot at the moment, but when it's not too hot, so you can drive around with it out in the open. And again, we've dropped a 2UZ engine in this one again. So it seems to be a popular request that a lot of potential customers are now asking for us. And of course, there's another farmer's truck being pulled together here, which you can see. This one again is TBC. We're still toying around with it with the client, trying to work out what drivetrain we want to put into it, but you can see the mix and match of the different types of vehicles that we have. Over here, you can have a look. These are the handcrafted leather seats that we've built for these vehicles. And again, they've been built specifically to the customer specifications, and we'll give you a detailed walkthrough. I will at some point give you a step-by-step walkthrough, everything from the donor vehicle, strip back, chassis repaint, how do we work our way back, rebuild the engine. That will come in the near future, so let me get back to you in that one. And then you can see the full factory production at that point. But this is just to give you a snippet of where we are.